prior to drying my herbs, I like to just throw them in the sink and give them a good soak. Swish them around. This will help get dirt and everything off of them. It'll also help kind of bring any bugs to the surface. And while I am kind of swishing them around, I'll start to pick out the pieces that I don't want to save. Leaves that are old, or you know, they got funny spots or anything like that that I don't want. And then after that, once they come out of the sink, I'm just gonna lay them on a towel, rag towel, to let them dry before I tie them up and hang them. So I've got a bunch of herbs laid out here for drying, and then I've got some that I've already tied up. Now this is my favorite way to do it. I just have a little ball of string, some scissors, and I just tie little knots just like this, and then I hang it right here, right in my kitchen window, where I can open it and I can get good ventilation. So that's just how I hang it until it's completely dry. And then I take it down and I will remove the dried pieces and stick them in a jar for using for cooking whenever I want. So here's all of my herbs hung and dried in their little bundles. And I just kind of separate them into maybe like 3 pieces or so, just so they have lots of room. It's a little bit cold today, but when I can, I just crack this window open to get some good airflow, and really just warm environment, good airflow, no direct sunlight. Wait till they're completely dry, which is usually about a week or so, and then you can take them down and remove all the little pieces, or just stick the whole bundle. I usually just put the whole thyme right in the jar, whereas the sage I'll kind of pluck off the leaves themselves, and then they're ready to go when you need them. Hey gardeners, so one really handy little trick to getting your herbs off of the stems once they're dry, and just getting them into storage is, I can't remember where the heck I saw this, but it's brilliant. You just need like a colander or something kind of like this that has all the different sizes of holes in it. And it's like you have a different size of a hole for like different size stem plants, so you just sort of find the appropriate one and pull it through, and so it'll just like separate the actual stem from, oops, if you can get it in there. It's not working, they're too small. So sometimes you can get it to go in a little bundle, which is what I'm struggling with right now. But yeah, just send it through, and then you just give it a little pull, and it'll separate, and you'll end up with your herbs released from it.